Good evening. So tonight's video is going to be about the song that you just heard. You probably heard the song and thought, wow, that's a really pretty song. It's a beautiful Native American song. Wonder what it means. Well, this video is going to tell you what that song means. Some of you may already know that that song, the words to the song, is actually a shoe game song, a Navajo shoe game song called Keshje-sin, Navajo shoe game songs. Now, for those of you who've never heard of the shoe game, this is the basic gist of the story. I'm not going to get into the complex details. That's way out of the scope of a video like this. The story. Back when the animals could talk, the animals played the shoe game. They divided themselves up between the day animals and the night animals. The day animals were like all the birds, the lizards, the turtle, things that walk around during the day. The night animals were everything that travel at night, like deer, bat, the bear. Those are the night animals. So the day animals played against the night animals. And as they started playing this game, the game got so intense that people started betting things like, we're going to bet this mountain. Whoever wins will own this mountain. And then it was like, whoever wins this game will be in control of the weather and the rain and the wind. And then eventually it came to the point to where they said, the day animal said, if we win, it'll be day all the time. Then the night animal said, if we win, it'll be night all the time. So they started playing and the game got really, really intense. And there's a point in the game to where the night animals started cheating. The owl, Ne'eshja, so essentially in the game, there's 4 moccasins that are in a row on one side, and then another group of moccasins, 4 of them on the other side that are kind of buried in the ground. And they hide a yucca ball inside the moccasin, and with an indicator stick called be'etitzkile, you have to tap the moccasin to say, this is what I think it is. And based on how close you are, how correct or how wrong you are, you win so many points. And points are judged by winning yucca sticks. There's 102 yucca sticks, which essentially represent the number of trails that the sun travels. There's 102 paths that the sun travels on. Some people say it represents a person's age, how old a person can get 102 years old. Essentially, there's 102 sticks. Whoever wins all the sticks wins the game. So one side of the team will hide the yucca ball in one of the moccasins. The other team will have to guess what side it is and hit it. And they betting back and forth. You win so many counter sticks, and then you accumulate points, and whoever wins all of them wins the game. So it came to the point to where the night animals cheated. The owl didn't hide the yucca ball in the moccasin. Instead, he held it in his hand. So as the animals were trying to guess to figure out where it was at, they kept losing because the yucca ball wasn't in any of the moccasins. So to get to the point of the video, the song is essentially the Giant's song. And this is how the song sounds when it is sung by the Klagetoh singers. So as you can see in the song, the animals are singing about the giant, about how when he was trying to guess which moccasin the ball was hidden, and he couldn't figure out and he couldn't guess what it was, so he was crying. And that's basically what this song that you're hearing is. It's one of these shoe game songs mixed in with a contemporary sound. So now let's cut back to the original song that the recording comes from, so you can see the words played out in the remixed song. as you can see, the song is essentially just the shoe game song. It is the giant song. Again, each of the animals, they'll have a different song. The owl has his own song. The lizards have their own song. There's a song to open the game. There's a song to close the game. And there's a song for the giant. So all the animals that were involved in this game all have a song. And essentially, the song that you heard is the giant's song. So the song that you're hearing is a real traditional Navajo song. It's been sung for hundreds of years. And thanks to this song, it has become available to the public to where everybody can hear a classic Navajo song. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped explain what the song is, the background behind it. If you have any questions, hit me up. If not, have a nice day. So by the way, there was no winner. The day animals found out that the night animals were cheating, so basically, to make a long story short, everybody just went home. If you want to read about the whole story, you can read about it through the book published by Salina Bookshelf called Jin Dotle Day and Night, and it tells the whole story about the shoe game. There you go. Enjoy. Have a nice day.